Alright, I'm going to go ahead and prep her face now. I'm going to be using the Martini Prep by Laura Sanchez. So here's right here. Okay. What's up, my heart fam? Thank you for clicking play on this video. My name is Veronica Ponce and welcome to my channel. In case you were wondering, I do uploads every Thursday and Sunday, so make sure you put it on your calendar so you can come and check it out. But before we get started, I'm going to ask you for 3 favors, okay? 1, that you subscribe to my channel. The button is right down below. And also, if you click the notification button so it alerts you every time I do an upload. 2, that you like this video. And number 3, that you share it with your friends, your family, with everybody. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and give you 3 seconds to do that. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much, everybody, and I'll see you in a bit. So as you can see for the title of this video, I am going to be turning my daughter into me, and these are the results that we're getting here. So make sure you guys stay tuned to see the rest of the video, and we'll see you guys back in a bit. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started with her makeup. See if I can transform her into me. Oh my gosh, is she in deep trouble. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this translucent powder from Laura Mercier, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it.
It's my first time. Cut me some slack. Okay, go.
Wow, okay. Anyways, let me go ahead and put some. Now I'm going to be using the MAC setting spray, the Fix Plus. I have the little mini one. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and work on her eyebrows. I'm going to be using this Precisely My Brown Pencil by Benefit. And then I'm going to also be using this stippling brush. Okay, now I'm going to clean up her eyebrows with the Benefit Bowing Brightening Concealer, and I'm using a flat brush. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and brush them with the 24-hour brow setter. It's a gel, and then I'm also going to be combing it back up. Now we're going to go ahead and start with the eyeshadow, and I'm using the P. Louise base, and this is in the number 2. Now we're going to be using the Anastasia Norvina collection, the purple palette. Okay, now using the Too Faced Palm Spring Dreams palette, I'm going to be using this brown color right here, so I can go ahead and put it all over the lid. Okay, now we're gonna do the eyelashes. I'm using the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and I'll be using these on her. Also be using my favorite lash glue, which is a duo, and this is the clear. I'm gonna go ahead and prep her face now. I'm gonna be using the Martini Prep by Laura Sanchez. So here's right here. You sound like Rosa.
Who's that?
The one from TikTok.
No.
Yeah.
Because of you.
No. Alright, so what I'm going to try with her is, because I did the same thing today, it's this Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to be using the light medium honey, but I'm going to be doing the concealer and the contour before the foundation. For this one, I'm using the Fenty Matchstick in the color Truffle. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and use the Too Faced Do You Warm Beige foundation. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the setting powder. It's the Beignet Banana Luxury Powder. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and use this Cheerleader Brown Squad palette. I'm going to be using the Hola for just to bronze her up a little bit. Now I'm going to be using the Morphe cheek palette, and I'm going to be using these two right here.
What the? This makeup looks like my face is so clear. Why?
Clear?
Yeah.
I think you were gonna think the other way. Ay, con ganas.
You have ganas.
Okay, the lip liner's the combo that I use with Stella. Stay All Day Liquid Liner in Angelo, and the Too Faced Melted Matte. Alright. She is done. Now let's go ahead and get her changed up, and we'll be right back. Alright, Heart Fam, so we are here at the end. Here are the results, as you can see in the video. What did you think? Tell me, do we really look alike or what? because we do get that a lot. But anyways, I hope you like this video of me turning my daughter into me. And remember, if you have any suggestions for any videos, please leave it in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe also and turn the post notification on so that you get alerted each time. Other than that, thank you so much for staying all the way out to the end, and I'll see you guys until next time. Bye.